Yo, what's up everyone? It's Afsha. You've poured your heart into building an awesome AI service, but getting those first few clients feels like climbing Mount Everest. But what if I told you there's a way to put your AI services directly in front of the people who need them most? That's where the magic of Facebook ads comes in. We're talking hyper-targeted ads that land right in front of business owners, HR teams, real estate agents, you name it, who are actively searching for solutions like yours. In this video, I'm breaking down my step-by-step system for launching high-converting Facebook ads, specifically designed to bring in those high-value AI clients. We'll cover everything from defining your target audience to optimizing your campaigns like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and tools to transform your AI business from crickets to clients. Let's get started. Alright, so before you even think about diving into the world of Facebook Ads Manager, we need to get crystal clear on your goals. What are you hoping to achieve with these ads? Are you looking to drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or go straight for the sale and get conversions? This is key because it's going to determine everything from the type of campaign you run to the way you measure success. Think of it like setting the GPS in your car. If you don't know where you're going, you're not going to get there. Once you've locked in on your objective, head over to Facebook Ads Manager and you'll see a bunch of different campaign objectives to choose from. Don't get overwhelmed, just select the one that aligns with your main goal and we'll take it from there. This is your command center. It's where you'll be creating your campaigns, managing your budgets, and tracking those all-important results. You've got your campaign level, where you set your objective and budget, then your ad set level, where you target your audience and choose your placements, and finally, the ad level, where you get to unleash your inner creative genius and design those scroll-stopping ads. We'll dive deeper into each of these sections as we go along, but it's good to get acquainted with the layout from the get-go. Okay, so you've set your objectives, you're familiar with the Ads Manager dashboard, now let's talk targeting. Because here's the deal, even the most brilliantly designed ad will fall flat if it's not reaching the right eyeballs. Facebook gives you this incredible superpower to laser focus your ads on specific groups of people. Think about it. Who are the people most likely to be interested in your AI services? Maybe you specialize in AI-powered chatbots for e-commerce businesses. In that case, you'd want to target business owners, marketing managers, and maybe even customer support teams within the e-commerce industry. Or let's say you've developed an AI-driven tool to help real estate agents generate leads. Your target audience just became crystal clear, right? Facebook lets you get super granular with your targeting. You can target by demographics like age, location, gender, interests, behaviors, you name it. And here's where it gets really interesting. You can create custom audiences based on people who've already interacted with your business, like visiting your website or engaging with your Facebook page. And then there's the secret weapon lookalike audiences. Facebook will actually analyze your custom audience and find people with similar characteristics, essentially cloning your ideal customer base. It's like magic. To get started with this targeting wizardry, head over to the Audience Insights tool within Ads Manager. Alright, so you've got your target audience locked in, but now you need to give them a reason to hit that Learn More button. This is where your offer comes in, the irresistible value proposition that makes your AI service impossible to ignore. Think about it, what's in it for them? What problem are you solving and how can you communicate that value clearly and concisely in your ad? Now when it comes to AI services, some offer ideas that work really well include things like a free AI audit, a chatbot demo, or even a free 15-minute consultation. The key is to provide something valuable up front that showcases your expertise and builds trust with your potential clients. Once you've got your offer, it's time to craft ad copy that grabs attention and compels action. Remember, you've only got a few seconds to make an impression, so make it count. Use strong headlines that highlight the benefits of your service, keep your copy concise and benefit-driven, and always include a clear call to action. And let's not forget about visuals. Nobody wants to look at a wall of text. Chapter 4. Designing ads that pop visuals are king. Alright, let's talk about the fun part. Designing those eye-catching ad creatives. Remember, in the world of Facebook, you're competing with a ton of other content, so your ads need to stand out from the crowd. And when it comes to AI, a concept that can sometimes feel a little abstract, visuals are even more important. Luckily, you don't need to be a design whiz to create stunning ad creatives. There are tons of fantastic tools out there that make it easy peasy. Canva is a personal favorite. It's super user-friendly, has a library of templates, and you can create everything from static images to animated graphics and even short videos. If you're looking for high-quality stock photos and videos to add that extra oomph to your ads, check out Pexels and Pixabay. They have a vast collection of free images and videos that you can use without worrying about copyright issues. Now, let's talk video for a second. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a video is worth 1,000,000. Video ads are incredibly effective at grabbing attention, conveying information quickly, and showcasing your AI service in action. Don't be afraid to experiment with different video styles. Use captions to make sure your message is heard even if people are watching on mute, and always keep it short and sweet. Chapter 5. The Budget Game. Spending smart on your AI ads. Alright, now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. Specifically, how much you should be spending on your Facebook ads. The good news is, you don't need to break the bank to see results. In fact, I recommend starting with a small daily budget, something like $5 to $10 a day, and gradually increasing it as you start to see what's working. Think of it like dipping your toes in the water before you dive headfirst into the deep end. Facebook's algorithm is constantly learning and optimizing your ads, so it needs a bit of time and data to work its magic. Speaking of optimization, let's talk about A/B testing. This is basically the process of running multiple versions of your ads simultaneously to see which one performs best. You can test different headlines, ad copy, visuals, calls to action, you name it. The goal is to identify the winning elements that are driving the most clicks, conversions, and ultimately, ROI. Chapter 6. Launching and tracking. Are your ads working? Okay, you've set your objectives, defined your audience, crafted an irresistible offer, designed eye-catching creatives, and set your budget. It's time to launch those ads into the world. But don't just set it and forget it. You need to keep a close eye on how your campaigns are performing. Remember that Facebook Ads Manager dashboard we talked about earlier? That's going to be your new best friend. It provides a wealth of data about your ads' performance, including impressions, reach, clicks, conversions, and cost per result. Now don't get overwhelmed by all the numbers. Focus on the metrics that matter most for your objectives. If your goal is to drive traffic to your website, then you'll want to pay attention to clicks and click-through rate. If leads are your game, then cost per lead is your jam. And if you're all about those conversions, then keep a close eye on your conversion rate and cost per conversion. The key is to track your results over time and look for patterns and trends. Chapter 7. Level up your ads. Optimization and scaling for AI domination. Alright, so you've launched your Facebook ads campaigns, you're tracking your results like a pro, and you're starting to see some traction. Now it's time to take things to the next level. The beauty of Facebook ads is that you can constantly optimize and scale your campaigns to maximize your ROI. One of the easiest ways to do this is by duplicating your winning ads and increasing their budget. If you notice that a particular ad is performing really well, high click-through rate, low cost per lead, good conversion rate, don't be afraid to give it more fuel. Gradually increase its budget to reach a wider audience and potentially bring in even more leads and customers. But remember, it's all about balance. You don't want to increase your budget too quickly and risk throwing your campaign off balance. Another powerful optimization technique is retargeting. Remember those custom audiences we talked about earlier? You can actually create retargeting campaigns that specifically target people who have already interacted with your business. For example, you can retarget people who visited your website but didn't make a purchase, or people who abandoned their cart. Unlocking AI success. Your Facebook ads journey starts now. So there you have it, a crash course in mastering Facebook ads for your AI services. We've covered a ton of ground today, from setting clear objectives and defining your target audience, to crafting compelling ad creatives and optimizing your campaigns like a pro. Remember, the key to success with Facebook ads is to be patient, test everything, and never stop learning. The platform is constantly evolving. So stay curious, experiment with new features, and don't be afraid to try new things. Now I know diving into the world of Facebook ads can feel a little overwhelming, especially if you're just getting started. That's why I've created a plug-and-play ad template that you can download for free using the link below. Until next time, keep crushing it.